Good morning, fifth graders. So today we're going to subtract fractions with the same denominator. Unfortunately, the app that I was using to show you guys by drawing all the problems out, they require me to pay now. So then I'm going to I'm going to try using Google Site today, okay? So today we're going to subtract fractions with the same denominator. So let's look at number 1. Very similar to yesterday, but this time we are subtracting. We're finding the difference. We can see that the denominator is the same. So we know that the answer would have the same denominator. So number 1 is 10 over 12 minus 3 over 12. Since the denominators are the same, we know for the answer the denominator is 12. I'm trying my best with this. And now we're going to subtract the numerator. So we have 10 minus 3 equals, what is 10 minus 3? 7. So the answer is 7 over 12. So all you're doing, the denominator stays the same. All you're doing is you're just subtracting the numerator. Okay? Let's look at number 2. Do you guys see the denominator? Is it the same? Yep, so we know that the denominator is the same. So it would be 4. And the numerator, we're going to subtract that. Ready? 3 minus 2 is 1. Hope you guys got that. So the answer is 1 over 4, or 1/4. All right, let's try this last one. 4/6 minus 3/6. Again, we see that the denominator is the same. So we know that this denominator is 6. All right, now we're just going to subtract the numerator. 4 minus 3 is 1. Put a 1 here. So the answer is 1 over 6. Just like yesterday on the Google form, I'm going to put this image in, and I want you to answer number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. If you need help, you can always refer back to this video.